Hi. So I've been making videos for about 10 months now, and only recently have I started incorporating timestamps in my video descriptions. What I realized is that timestamps are actually quite useful for me and more importantly to the viewers. So I thought that it would be a good idea to add timestamps to all my previous videos. Of course, I wasn't gonna do it manually. So that's the topic of our today's video. We are going to use Python to help us solve this problem. We are going to create a script that checks all my videos, ignores the ones that already have timestamps, but downloads transcript of the videos that don't have timestamps, and sends that transcript to an LLM, ChatGPT 4.5 mini to be exact, and ChatGPT uses that as context to create automatic timestamps for our video. So if that sounds interesting, stick around and let's start. So I have created the prompt that I'm going to use here. Let's create a Python program that checks my YouTube channel and goes through all my videos to see if there are timestamps in the video. When it finds a video that doesn't have a timestamp, it takes the transcript of that video, sends it to OpenRouter API, and creates a YouTube optimized timestamps for that video. Returns the generated timestamps as a markdown file with the name of the video as a file name, and saves it into a folder generated timestamps that's inside the project folder. So I just have to decide what model I want to use from OpenRouter. Let's just see. We could use Qwen or Microsoft Phi. Let's just use Phi reasoning. OpenRouter API. I would like to use this model. Okay, and I believe I just have OpenRouter documentation. This is the wrong type. Let's just find the documentation and paste it here. Okay, so I'm just gonna link it. OpenRouter Python docs. Okay. Use the attached file for OpenRouter documentation. Okay, we are going to use Gemini 2.5 Pro for this, and I believe that's it. Maybe we should ask Taskmaster to create tasks. Use Taskmaster AI to split the creation of this program into manageable tasks. And go. Let's see if this works. Okay, so the project is done. It went through all 12 steps or tasks, and it seems like it should be working. So let's test it out. Let's copy the command line. My dog is choking there. Max videos 5. Okay, let's try that. Channel ID, I just use this. Okay, and let's see if it works. So it should git keep whatever. that is. Okay, so I don't think that this is okay. Let's see why. Okay, let's I still see some failed. Okay, after a while I finally managed to troubleshoot all the issues. I was really having problems with the OpenRouter API, but in the end I think it was due to the model I used. 5.4 was having problems creating timestamps. So I just used OpenAI's ChatGPT 4.1 mini, and it's working like it should. So let's just test it out. Channel ID. Let's delete. I can't. Okay, why? Let's do 5. Okay, and there should be files generated in generated timestamps folder. And there we are. Cool, it works. I don't like that I have to put my channel ID in the terminal like that, but okay. Let's accept it. Okay. Let's just fix the issues with linting. And let's try and see if we can make all the maybe we should add an option to automatically put that transcripts in the videos. Let's just first build the transcripts. So I switched to Claude 3.7 Sonnet because Gemini was having issues troubleshooting the OpenRouter API setup, but now everything works. Okay, so let's accept it, and let's actually repeat this, but remove the max video. Okay, let's see if we can get all the transcripts. Oh, timestamps. So he's basically grabbing all the transcripts, which is actually cool. I can maybe extract this for later use. Yeah, maybe I can create a script that extracts all the transcripts from other channels also. So I can fetch transcripts from, I don't know, Mr. Beast. I don't want to do that because that would take forever. He has tons of videos. But I can actually use this to grab transcripts at a larger scale from multiple channels. That should be investigated. But for now, we'll settle with this. Yeah. And actually, while he's doing that, let's prepare another prompt. And yeah, we got all the transcripts from all my videos. That is very cool. I can just I can put them manually now in all my videos, or create a script that will do that instead of me. Yeah. Let's just first update the README. Can you modify the README file with all the changes that we made and put every available command in the script and how to use it in there as well. Okay, so we updated our README to be more clear to the users. Install, setting up, usage, channel. Okay, these are the arguments, max videos. These are the examples. Yeah, cool. Test scripts. We can delete the test scripts. Okay, can you delete the test scripts and temporary files that are no longer needed? Also delete them from README. And I believe we can save it now when it's working. Initial commit. Okay. And we have, let's just try something out. Since I had quite a bit of trouble setting this up, I'd like to create a script, or how do I say this? I want to create a file that I can use later on as a reference together with the documentation as something that worked. Okay, so how do we do this? Okay, since we had so much trouble setting up the OpenRouter API, can you prepare a guide or some sort of document that explains exactly how to properly set it up so that I can use it later on in my other projects as a reference? Add example implementation at the end of the guide. Save it as a MD file. So hopefully I can use this in some other project, because OpenRouter is always something that's giving me trouble for some reason. When I watch other YouTubers use OpenRouter, they just say connects to OpenRouter and it's all working, and I gave it context, a link to the OpenRouter documentation, I gave it examples, and it still didn't work. I don't know what the issue was, but let's see if we can make it work like this. So 400 lines, it's a comprehensive guide. Okay, he went all in with create an open API key. It went all in with the explanation what OpenRouter is, account setup and everything. Okay, so basically I have created myself a piece of documentation that I can use in my other projects. Now that we have this up and running, we can play around and add some more utilities. So actually, let's just see. We have Sonnet here. I like this tool, and I really like and I really want to make some more utilities tied to YouTube and YouTube channel maintenance. Can you suggest additional features to add to this program? Let's just go with chat. Let's see what he can suggest. Okay, create a to-do list.md and put these suggestions in there. At the end of each suggestion, add a recommendation on which model should be used, LLM model, so that we are very clear. For optimal results that is available in OpenRouter ecosystem. And I'm probably not going to use the models that he gave me here, but I can see what tasks should be done with stronger models. So for instance, Anthropic's Claude 3 Opus suggests a stronger model, as well as GPT-4 Turbo. 5.3 medium is a smaller model. So yeah, this GPT-4 vision could be done probably with something smaller, maybe Gemini 2.0 Flash or something. Yeah, so I'm just gonna copy this and create the list myself. To-do list.md. Okay, and I'm gonna go through all the models and pick some myself and see what we wanna add. Okay, so that's about it for this video. Hope you found this interesting and that you learned something. And yeah, like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next video.